Good evening, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis Autosports on a pre-listing. Just got this Cherokee in, so we'll do a walk around, give you some basic information on it, let you know what it is, some plans that we have lined up for it. Starting off, 2000 Jeep Cherokee Sport, very rare factory upcountry package. If you're unfamiliar with that, some of the upgrades will include the front tow hooks, as you see. This also has the front fog lights, skid plates throughout the whole bottom side, gas tank, transfer case, beefed up suspension from the factory. Also has the factory upgraded sound system. It has the chipped keys. So very nice package. Flawless Carfax report, 97,000 miles. This is the exact condition that we got the Jeep in. Overall, you'll see that it's in excellent condition. A little bit of wear here and there, no damage whatsoever. Also have a factory tow hitch, which is going to give you a factory tranny cooler. Also has a limited slip differential locking rear end from the factory. Very rare setup, especially paired with the security keys. The undercarriage is clean on this thing. So we haven't touched the undercarriage yet, but just look how clean that is. You don't see them like that. Very excited about this Cherokee right here. Super clean in all the right spots. The little bit of wear that it has on fender flares, I'll take that all day to find a Jeep like this underneath. Rockers are perfect. We got a new gorgeous parking lot we just did here at DAS. Pretty hot, so I'm getting down on it for you guys. See the skid plate there? I mean, this frame's incredible. Floor pans, everything, super solid. Underneath, look how clean that is, guys. You just don't find them like that. Okay, rockers, pinch welds. I wish we could always find them this clean. So we're gonna give this, let's go ahead and give you a quick glimpse on the inside. I hate showing vehicles that we haven't done anything to, but nonetheless, here you go. Vinyl seat on the side is perfect. Of course, we're gonna steam clean everything. Let me take these keys out, drive us all crazy. Smart keys, or I should say chip keys, so hard to steal. Cruise control, CD player. Obviously, she'll need a headliner, but this thing is clean. 97,000 miles. Full spare, part of the limited slip differential locking system package. Once again, vinyl seat on the side is perfect. All right, so Cherokee already has, you see the new the tranny cooler. It's got a new radiator, new water pump. So option one to buy this Cherokee, we are going to offer this Cherokee just the way it is. No servicing, no paint correction, no nothing. Option one, just the way it is. I'm going to point out all the flaws. You have clear coat issue on this right here. Rest of the paint overall is very good. Side trims, they always are going to turn that color. They fade. That's just what it is. You have 4 items there where it's actually paint on top of, that's white, something brushed against it. So that's sitting on top. That's not through the paint. I just want to point out any sort of flaws. Okay. Faded. Top rail, faded. Very common. Okay. The hood will buff out really nice. That's just some surface dirt on it. Fade. Fender flare, as you see, faded. But as you see, super clean. A little bit of fade there as well. I will go ahead and throw in a couple little door dings. They all have them. You got fade here. You got some scratches on the bumper. Besides that, guys, she's super straight. Wheels and tires look good. As you see with the upcountry package, it's sitting up nice as well. If this was a factory Cherokee, it looks to, you know, have a 1.5-inch lift, so it's sitting up really, really nice. You could easily put some 39.5 15s underneath this. So on the inside, I just showed you everything. It's going to be just like that. Of course, we will clean it, wash it, all that, but it does need a headliner, as they all do as well. So that's option one, okay? Option two would be to buy it in stock form, but have us recondition absolutely everything, which means all the trim is coming off of the vehicle, getting completely refinished, getting reinstalled. The flares come off, get repainted, get installed. Before they get installed, we paint correct all the paint. It's going to shine like new. That goes for every piece of red body panel on this entire Jeep. So we'll fully recondition the exterior, remove any little dents and dings. That's going to be about 2 to 3 weeks on this entire thing. Wheels and tires are good, so we'll leave those on there. Part of our reconditioning will be to remove the seats. Center console, rear seat have full access to the carpet, so we can steam clean everything, steam clean the seats, put new screws in, and just really doll up the inside. New headliner, all that sort of stuff. In addition to that, we'll go ahead and do our full service package. Rear main seal, valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket, and we'll fully service the front differential, rear differential, transfer case, and transmission. And then that will be it for the most part, and then we'll go through and look at brakes and all that. So that's option two right there. Option three, we'll do all that plus add a stage 2 package. If you're unfamiliar with that, essentially all new suspension, 3-inch lift, all new steering, new wheels, new tires. We'll use our DAS Rubicon Moab wheels on some BFG 31s, nice little roof rack, some upgraded headlights. That will be option three. Option four, you let us know what you want and we'll do anything to it. So quick recap: option one, as is. Option two, full reconditioning inside and out, full service. Option three would be the same as option two with an additional stage 2 package installed. This Jeep's not going to last long, guys. It's a Carfax certified Jeep. As you see, super, super straight, no rust, incredible condition, upcountry package, loaded up, 97,000 miles, and beautiful retail red, as they say. All right. You guys have any questions? 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.